Assalamu alaikum dear students. Today our topic is types of sentences. In this topic we shall discuss what is a sentence, what are parts of a sentence, and what are types of sentences. Let's start it. First of all, we shall discuss what is a sentence. A group of words which makes a complete sense is called a sentence. Or a sentence is a group of words which expresses a complete thought. So, a complete sense or a complete thought is necessary to make a comprehensible sentence. Look at these two examples. Tom is going to play. This sentence makes a complete sense. The other sentence, she is sad. It also makes a complete thought. So, a group of words which make a complete sense or a complete thought is called a sentence. There are two major parts of a sentence. The first one is subject and the other one is predicate. Now we shall discuss these two parts one by one. What is a subject? A subject is the person or thing about which something is being stated. For example, Tom is going to school. In this sentence, Tom is the subject of the sentence. John went home. John is the subject of the sentence. She is beautiful. She is the subject of the sentence. Predicate. The predicate is the part of a sentence that tells something about the subject. It predicts something about the subject. The predicate always includes a verb. For example, Spain is in Europe. Is in Europe is the predicate of the sentence. Is the verb and in Europe is the predicate. Is in Europe is the predicate of the sentence. Next sentence, goats and cows can't fly. Can't fly is the predicate of the sentence. It predicts about the goat and cows. The next sentence, he is a good boy. Is a good boy is the predicate of he. He is the subject of the sentence and is a good boy is predicting something about the subject. So, predicate is the part of a sentence that tells something about the subject. Now we shall discuss types of sentences. There are four types of sentences. The first one is declarative sentence. The second is exclamatory sentence. Third is interrogative sentence. And number four is imperative sentence. The very first one is declarative sentence. Declarative sentence is also called assertive sentence. A declarative sentence is a sentence that makes a statement. It ends with a full stop. Look at these examples. Jan is a student. He is a social worker. Tom is an outstanding student. All these three examples end with a full stop, and these examples make a statement. So, a declarative sentence is a sentence that makes a statement. The second type is exclamatory sentence. An exclamatory sentence is a sentence that is said with strong feeling or emotions. These types of sentences show strong feeling or emotion, and these sentences end with an exclamation mark. Look at these sentences. Hurrah! We won the World Cup. Oh, I have lost my pen. Wow, it's a beautiful day. So, an exclamatory sentence is a sentence that is said with strong feeling or emotion. The third one is interrogative sentence. An interrogative sentence is a sentence that asks a question and always ends with a question mark. So, an interrogative sentence is a sentence that asks a question. For example, what is your name? Who is he? What are you doing? The last one is imperative sentence. Imperative sentences express command, advice, or request. For example, go ahead. It shows command. Speak the truth. Advice. Please give me your book. It's a request. So, there are four types of sentences: declarative sentence, exclamatory sentence, interrogative sentence, and imperative sentence.